Let's start the installation of our Raspberry Pi system. So you should have Balena Etcher software. So for the installation, so you should have SD card, not less than 4 gigabytes. So right now, as you can see, I'm using 8 gigabytes. So this is enough for our system and for the installation. After choosing everything, so you should simply push flash here and so downloads will start. So software will start downloading to the SD card. So let's wait. So after successful flashing of the SD card, so we install it back to a Raspberry Pi. After successful installation of a Raspberry system, actually steps of installation you can find in our frequent asked questions, and here to choose you can choose software installation. So here I've written all the steps which I needed to pass and to install Raspberry system on Raspberry Pi. So here don't forget to enable SSH and VNC for remote access. For example, I already installed our CashUnit system, so here you can see this one, and you can go to preferences and choose Raspberry Pi configuration. Here there are some interfaces. You need to turn on SSH and VNC and the serial port console we don't need. And then you have to reboot Raspberry Pi. Let's set the screen resolution. So you need to copy these lines here, and we go to the command prompt on Raspberry Pi and doing opening a config file. In the config file, we should find the following line, this one, and here we have to change the driver to FKMS, wrong place. We are pasting it here, and we are opening the port, enable UART, disable Bluetooth, and pasting it. Enable UART we already seen. Oh, yeah, everything okay. So Ctrl X for exit, yes, and rebooting our application. Then we are moving to the installation of CashUnit. So we already adjusted SSH and VNC. If you need, so you can install clients of these devices. So here there are links for it. And right now we are doing CashUnit installation. For CashUnit installation, we are copying this line, go to our terminal and pasting this and waiting for result. So we downloaded installation script, and then we should change its permission. We changed its permission, and then we are running it like this. Install CashUnit. .sh. So it starts downloading all the necessary application, all the necessary DLLs. For example, right now it's downloading Java, and after the installation, so we will receive a fully working application, which we will try to configure. Unit. And run CashUnit script. Here we need to load configuration. Here you write your username, your password, and serial number, which you can get here under the name serial, and simply paste it here. And after that, so we are doing load configuration. Yeah, after successful download, you can return to main menu, and now you can see that we received our service from the website, which we can use to accept the money. Now we are going to test acceptance. I already have everything connected between together, so installed bill validator and the screen and a printer. And I'll simply show you how this works. Now I'm inserting banknotes. And we're receiving a check which banknotes we have accepted.